These 5 cryptocurrency trading apps available for both iOS and Android provide you with everything you need to trade cryptocurrencies. This list of apps has everything you need, whether you're a beginner looking to pick up some Bitcoin or an advanced trader who needs support for staking and the latest altcoin listings. Hey guys, James here, and in this video, I've got 5 of the best crypto trading apps set out for you. I'll go over the key features of each trading app, the fees of each, and some other important information that you may need to know. Look in the description box for links to each of these apps so you can go through and see more information, or just click on the links to sign up for an account. The timestamps for each section of this video are listed in the description box alongside some extra helpful videos on each trading platform. The first trading app on the list is Coinbase. Coinbase is the number 2 crypto trading platform in the world by trading volumes as of making this video anyway, and is a popular choice for beginners. Coinbase is an app that focuses on ease of use and simplicity. There isn't a huge list of trading features or complex charts that you have to navigate through just to buy some cryptos. Coinbase is a service where a lot of first timers will gravitate towards because it's a really simple way to buy cryptocurrency with a credit card or a bank deposit. You'll get a small selection of the latest news stories on the homepage, which is a good feature, to be honest, that most of the other apps don't have. And the whole thing just feels more like a retail experience rather than a service for advanced traders. Coinbase, though, does have a separate app called Coinbase Pro. This is an add-on that you can download and use with your Coinbase credentials. It adds some more advanced features that Coinbase is missing, like more in-depth charting and the ability to input limit orders. Even though the app is called Coinbase Pro, it still lacks many of the professional options, especially compared to the other apps on this list. Fees on Coinbase are dependent on your purchase methods and are quite complex, so I'll put them up on screen now, but essentially you'll be paying a flat fee or a percentage based on the transaction value, whichever is higher. Coinbase Pro fees are much lower than those found on the Coinbase app, with a flat fee of 0.5% for trades. A really great feature of Coinbase, though, is that they give you free transfers between Coinbase accounts. You can transfer from your Coinbase account to any other Coinbase account using off-chain transfers for free. It could potentially save you a lot of money in network fees over the long term if you send crypto to other people. While Coinbase is easy to use, it just doesn't have the professional trading features that I require most of the time. It also has very poor coin support, with a whole host of altcoins not supported on the platform at the current time. If you're a first timer and you want to buy some Bitcoin or Ethereum with cash, then Coinbase is a trustworthy but comparatively expensive way to trade. Kraken was one of the early trading exchanges and now has 2 apps. You have Kraken and Kraken Pro. The Kraken app is a simplified way to buy cryptocurrencies, and the Pro app adds pro features like order books, charting, more order types, and more trading information as well. The Pro app adds on some extras like being able to input a variety of different order types like limit orders, stop loss orders, and even take profit orders. This gives you a lot of control over your trades and is something I personally look for in a trading platform. If you're looking to trade cryptocurrencies more actively and want to see your trading levels, then Kraken Pro has that for you, whereas Coinbase isn't really going to give you that same level of functionality. Kraken's fees are quite competitive overall as well, with no fees at all for instant buys. The reason for that is they actually take a small spread in the price, so you'll be paying a little more for your crypto, but it just won't be shown as a fee. If you use Kraken Pro, you'll be paying anywhere from 0.26% to 0.16%, with fees coming down the more that you trade. This isn't the very cheapest set of fees in the marketplace, but it's mighty close and very competitive overall. For right now, I can't find any way to stake cryptocurrencies on the Kraken Pro app itself. Kraken does allow for some cryptocurrency staking, but you'll have to go onto the web version for this. Also, the Kraken app is fine for me as I'm used to more professional designs, but for a lot of users, it may look a little bit clunky overall compared to the clean and simple setup of Coinbase. Overall, if you need some pro upgrades, then Kraken has it, and comparatively good coin support compared to Coinbase. Also, the very low fees are a big reason to use both Kraken and Kraken Pro. At number 3, we have eToro. eToro does have eToro X, a fully fledged crypto exchange. and eToro Wallet, a mobile wallet to hold cryptocurrency. But the eToro app will allow you to trade a good range of cryptos along with other assets like stocks and even funds. eToro is a one-stop shop for trading, and so could be a nice option for people that just want to sign up for one account and also be safe in the knowledge that their holdings can't get hacked. The eToro app will let you trade cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano and keep those in your portfolio along with shares in Apple and Amazon. eToro also has something called copy trading, which allows you to follow traders on the platform and copy their trades. You can simply set up a copy portfolio on the app and see how your investments get on. eToro is also a social platform of sorts, allowing you to see posts and articles from traders and also see a list of the most profitable traders on the platform, which you can then go and follow. The ability to hold Bitcoin alongside shares in Tesla is something that none of the other crypto-only apps in this list allow, and may be a big reason for some of you to choose it. eToro fees are hidden within the price that you pay or receive when buying or selling, so it's difficult to compare them to the others on this list, but that's a common thing for trading services like eToro, as you're trading CFDs most of the time, which is a way to trade price movements in securities without having to actually own them. eToro also offer different types of trading though, so be sure to check which one you're using if you do use the app. eToro won't be a good choice if you want to get into the crypto ecosystem, stake coins, and use cryptocurrencies to interact with the decentralized world. But if you're just looking to make money and trade price movements, eToro is convenient and offers more options. Number 4 is crypto.com, which along with the app and exchange also offers a suite of financial services backed by your crypto. You can buy cryptocurrencies, earn income from your cryptocurrencies, and also get a crypto.com credit card with cashback on purchases based on your holdings of CRO, which is the coin of crypto.com. Crypto.com supports trading in about 80 coins at the time of making this video, but the other payments and financial services may be of interest to you. There's a pay feature in the app, which makes using the app to pay for items with crypto much easier. This type of service hasn't really taken off in a big way as yet, as there isn't really an agreed upon default cryptocurrency for purchasing goods and services, but it's there and it's in crypto.com. Another option in crypto.com is staking CRO. As crypto.com makes money from the financial services it provides, you can actually take part in this by staking CRO tokens on the platform. You can also stake stablecoins on the platform too, with nice returns up to 12%. Trading fees on crypto.com are competitive, coming in at around 0.1% to 0.16%, and you can get a further 10% discount if you stake some CRO on your account. Crypto.com has a nice amount of professional trading options and also some extra financial services that surround crypto holdings. Could be a good option for some, but maybe a little bit overwhelming for first timers who just want to pick up some Bitcoin. And next up we have Binance. Binance is really the king of crypto exchanges and trades the largest volume of crypto on a daily basis by a huge margin. Binance offers many ways to buy and trade cryptos, from beginner style credit card transactions to complex leveraged trades. The app can be a little overwhelming for first timers and there's a lot going on, but you can ignore most options on there and simply go ahead and press the simple buy crypto button to buy some crypto with cash. Binance really stands out because it offers many features directly in the app, including the ability to stake coins, invest with Binance Earn, and swap coins via their decentralized exchange. In terms of variety of features and extras, Binance is, for me, unchallenged. Binance also has pretty much the lowest trading fees in the market at 0.1%, and if you use Binance Coin to pay for your fees, you'll get a 25% discount, taking your fees down to 0.075%, which is really unbeaten. The charting software on Binance is also competitive with options to see a variety of data points, and you can have full control over your trades with limit orders and stop loss order types. Binance isn't just a crypto exchange, but is growing into an entire crypto ecosystem. And if you do want to get more into cryptos and especially altcoins, you'll find that having an account with Binance is more of a requirement than an option. If you're in the States, then you'll have to use Binance US, which is a different service than Binance due to some US-centric regulations. But Overall, the platforms are very similar, although there are some products that Binance has that Binance US doesn't. In general though, Binance offers the best support for altcoins, the most markets, and the most liquidity in the crypto space. All of the apps I've mentioned will appeal to different people depending on your requirements. I'll leave the links to these platforms below so you can find out more, or just click those links to get started buying crypto right away. If you want to see how each of these apps works, check out the tutorial videos on each, also linked in the description for you. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for way more helpful cryptocurrency content, and I'll see you in the next one.